Welcome to Mrs. Always Right Cooks, and I'm Pooja Desai. Today we're going to be making this white bean truffle dip, and it's a dip I had in a bar in Manhattan and I was dying to recreate it in my kitchen for myself. We start off by taking some roasted garlic. I've just taken some garlic cloves, put a pinch of salt and some olive oil on it, and I've baked it for an hour. I've taken the ready-made cloves, but you could probably take the bulb of the garlic and also do it. And I'm going to take about 20 and pop these in. And this is a very creamy, luxurious, decadent dip. We don't want anything sharp in this. Everything has to be smooth. I'm going to add some olive oil. About 3 or 4 tablespoons. A good tablespoon of truffle oil. There we go. A good quality truffle oil will give you an amazing scent aroma. A pinch of salt. I'm going to put in the white beans. Thoroughly rinsed and drained, of course. Olive oil. You may need to put in some water if you find that it's not mixing. Looks creamy and rich, and I can smell the truffle as I open it, so it's a good job. Taste the salt, and it seems fine. Let's just spoon it into the bowl. Put a little olive oil. And just spread it so that it coats the surface evenly. You could even put a couple of drops of truffle oil. Just a little bit. There you go. And here we have it. Our white bean truffle dip.